weche mag safari rally ma higani ochakore ayanga kawuono e boma ma Naivasha e kidieny mokwongo kendo derepe mopogore opogore moting'o Thierry Neuville kod jaloch mokalo e tugoni Elfin Evans onyiso geno margi mar yudo duoko makare kata obedo ni odhi bedo rally mar chuodho kaluwore koda koth maduong' mosebedo ka chwe. Jatend migawo mar tuke Salim Mvurya kane loso e nyasi mar chako ayanga tukego owacho ni piny owacho dhi nyime kod kwayo mondo med piny Kenya orak mar bago tukego. Nyawadgi motelo ne migawo mar limbe Rebecca Miano korka koro wacho ni tuke makamago biro kelo omenda ne piny owacho kowuok kuom welo mabiro limo pacho ka.
Start list then for stage one with the fans out in force once again. I do have the first split time to come in comparing Evans to Solberg, and it's a good start for Oliver, 3.5 seconds up.
About that, we have been fully engaging our international partners, and we actually would wish to have a 5-year running contract so that we continue.
In terms of tourism, we are very happy that hotels here in Naivasha and its environ, the whole of Nakuru County and the neighboring sections, the hotels are 100% full.
I mean, Reki was interesting, challenging conditions out there. It looks like it's going to be a tough Rally Kenya this year.
Well, it's been quite a challenging week here, I would say. There was a lot of water in some sections. It's not everywhere, but actually it makes it very challenging because we go from dry to wet to mud, from dry to mud, so it's changing quite a lot.